Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. In this episode, I'm going to train you on adding notes in presentation, which is one of the most requested topic for Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm about to show you a demo and then you people may try it on your end. Now the first question is that why is adding notes so essential? So it is beneficial to a lot of people on multiple aspects. So if I talk about the corporate people or the professionals or even the students altogether, when they're delivering a presentation, in case if in between they forgot a content, then they can quickly have an access to it. Okay, that's one thing. Secondly, you will also going to be aware about what is the next presentation slide which is coming up, and you can also have a quick access to the content for that also. So without much of the further delay, I'm going to train you how you people may move ahead and add the notes. So people, for adding the notes, there are two ways. So one where I'm hovering my mouse at this moment, that is notes. You need to click on that and then you will be having an access to it like this. You can type it over here, your notes. That is one way. Or else what you have to do is these tabs which you can see right there on the top, you have to click on the view option. You can click on this notes option. This is also another way of reaching the notes section. So this notes and the one which I have shown you, the very first one, they mean one and the same thing. Okay. So once you are ready with your notes, what you have to do is that each and every slide that you people have prepared, you can add your notes simultaneously on that. So once your notes has been added, people, what is the next step that I have to do is you will be moving ahead and you have to present this deliver the presentation. So for delivering the presentation, you need to ensure that your laptop or the computer has to be connected to the external device like the projector. So what exactly is going to happen? Whatever presentation you are going to show it to the audience, the notes access only you will be having. So only you will be having an access to the note, the audience will not be having a view about it. So before you deliver the presentation, also ensure one thing, that when you're clicking on the slideshow option, this use presenter view option, it has to be checked. Please ensure once again that whenever you're going to connect your computer to an external device like the projector, this presenter view has to be checked. So once it is checked, the next thing that you people have to do is you will be clicking on from the beginning. So let's do that. So once you click on from the beginning, so this is how you people will be having an access to it. Let me just show you over here in a while. Just 1 minute. So you will be clicking on from the beginning. So the moment you will be clicking on from the beginning or from the current slide, whatever slide you would like to show it to your audience, this is the look that you would be having it over there. Okay, so your presentation slide is going to be there. You will be able to see that this is the current presentation slide that you all will be presenting, and along with that you will be able to see your next slide, and then these are my demo. This is the notes that I've actually punched in. So whatever notes you people have prepared, you will be able to see it over here. So once again, I'm just showing you. So this is going to be your slide. It will be looking like this. On the top of that, your timing is going to come. So this is for your current slide, whichever you will be seeing. Okay, along with this, you can see all the slides, or you can use a laser pen as a pointer tool. Okay, so that's the further subsequent session that I may proceed ahead and I might take it. And along with that, you can see that this is how the things come up. This is the next slide option that you will be able to see. So this is going to be my current slide. Current slide is the opening place where the topic is mentioned, and then the next slide I will be able to see it, and along with that I will also be having an access to the notes which I have mentioned over here, and I can always control my slide with this arrows option. So let me just show you these arrows as well, like this arrows. Okay, front and back, I may go ahead, and this is the font which I can go ahead. I can make the text larger, I can make the text smaller as well. So this is the way, people, that I will be having an access and how I will be able to see the notes once the presenter view is on. So this is how exactly you people see the notes section once you have added it in your slide, and how you will be able to see it in the presenter view. And one thing which I've mentioned, very critical, When you're going to click on the slideshow and you're going to click on from the beginning, before that please ensure that your use presenter view option is checked. So those viewers who are watching my channel now for the first time, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. In case of any questions or queries, you can always reach me on these three social media platform, which is Instagram, Facebook or Microsoft Team. You can reach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians altogether. So this was all, people, which was planned up for today, and the links of all these three social media is also given in the description of the video. So thank you very much, people, and have a nice day ahead.